Alright, so for the sake of the video, I'm going to say this green line is my main line, and then this is the 65-pound braid I'm going to be using. Here's how we're going to do it. I'm going to take that, just going to make a simple loop right over top of each other. Lay it right on the main line, so now it's just laying right along it. I'm going to start taking this end, going over the main line and the bottom of that loop. It's kind of like a uni knot. We're going to go 5 times around it. So there you can see I've got both tag ends in the loop. I'm going to take them tag ends, pull on them. That's going to cinch around the main line. Get that cinch down. Take tag, trim off tag ends. Ooh, buck up the main line. There you go. That'll slide right up your line. Plenty firm enough it's going to hold. Then that 65-pound braid is big enough diameter that it won't fit through the bead on top of that slip bobber. Like I said, move it real easy. It's a whole lot better than going out and buying them bobber stops. Just tie them yourself. Well, thanks for watching and good luck on the water.